If you're struggling to come up with video ideas, here's how to use YouTube Autocomplete to find real searchable topics in under 3 minutes. I'll show you how to use YouTube's own search bar to find what people are already searching for, refine better ideas, and avoid guessing. You want to start broad during your search, and then you can expand and pick up a lot of ideas along the way. So I've dropped in how to start YouTube, which is about as broad as you can get because there's so much involved. But if you go to the end of that and just add the letter A, you get more ideas there. You can back up and add B, plenty of ideas there. And what you're looking for is something that's beginner friendly. A lot of beginners looking for how to start YouTube, just as there are beginners in whatever niche you have selected that want to know how to get started. If you use this alphabet expansion method, it'll help you to uncover hidden topic variations and help you hone in on just the right ideas you're looking for. As you're using the alphabet expansion method to look for beginner-friendly topics in your niche, be sure to focus on topics that are clear, specific, and solvable. You want to answer the viewer's question as quickly as possible with as little fluff as possible. After you've made a final selection for an idea using autocomplete, you want to validate the idea. So you can click on some of the suggestions and go through the view counts, the recent uploads, and the thumbnail quality. If people are posting on it recently, then the topic still matters. So to get the best results, don't just copy titles and drop them into YouTube. Use autocomplete to find the demand for that topic, then make your version clearer and more beginner friendly. Now you're using YouTube itself to find real searchable video ideas for free. If you want more videos like this that answer your questions without wasting your time, just come back to see us. If you've got questions or you have topic suggestions, just drop them in the comments.